So are you wondering how dangerous it is to drive around on your spare tire that you put on months ago when you got a flat tire? There are some things that you need to know about your spare tire. Hi, I'm Stephanie at Kneble's Auto Service Center, and this is Nancy.
Hello. Stephanie, I'm sure you realize that a spare tires are more compact and narrow as to save space in your trunk, along with weighing less to help with that fuel economy. And spare tires, they're not as durable constructed. Full-size tires have piles of layers of polyester, steel, and wire constructed around rubber, along with many other chemical components to give that tire the strength. Whereas spare tires, they do not. A narrower and a more compact tire, you know what that means? That means less tread on the road.
Oh.
Which means less traction for that spare tire.
Less traction means less stopping ability, thereby giving less handling ability.
Absolutely.
Having your spare tire on means the ABS and traction control aren't as effective.
Oh, I bet you didn't realize that. Go ahead, tell us why.
A spare tire being smaller puts stress on your differential. I don't know what that means. So you probably are saying, what does that mean?
I was just thinking that myself.
Yeah.
So let's understand that your differential transmits engine power to the wheels through the transmission. It also allows the left and right wheel to turn at different speeds, especially needed when turning.
Oh.
Now this problem comes into play like this. So since your spare tire is smaller on the opposite wheel on the same axle, whether it's front or back, the spare tire must turn faster since it's smaller to keep up with the speed of the opposing wheel that's on the same axle, causing your differential to work harder. It is like the car is constantly turning.
So these are the reasons why manufacturers suggest keeping the spare on for a limited distance
Absolutely.
of no longer than 50 to 70 miles and keeping your driving speed below 50 miles an hour.
Absolutely.
Spare tires are not recommended to be repaired if damaged, but instead replaced. Also, when checking tire pressures on your vehicle, don't forget to check the tire pressure in your spare.
That's a smart idea, Steffi. I've heard that somewhere before. You're always thinking. Thank you for watching.
And Mom, remember to tell everyone to like us on Facebook.
Oh, of course, and share the information, because I bet some people didn't understand the function of their spare.
Thank you.